Unnecessary claps.
Unnecessary.
Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing tech video. And on this video today, it's all about the Infinix Hot 7 and Hot 7 Pro. Well, it's like ecosystem. Still, it's ecosystem. Jumping out the box, it's an ecosystem, and jumping out the box, it's something which Infinix, they're doing great job. I can't complain out of it. Like how I said, this is not a high-end device. Don't expect more on this device. Just expect some minor upgrades to my own kind of perspective. But to adjust the elephant in the room, what type of brand is much better compared to the other? The first brand which I can give it as a priority is Infinix, they're killing it since they're using Snapdragon on the processor, while compared to the Tecno and Itel, they're using only MediaTek. You can see that kind of gap is quite bigger gap compared to any kind of flagship on the market, which are budget smartphone. What I mean here, not that kind of, yeah. So another kind of stuff, let's get started with this Infinix Hot 7. Now, Infinix Hot 7 gives you, first of all, 1GB of RAM, which to my own kind of aspect, I thought that this is quite minimal. 2019 Infinix, still you are holding behind of that. So 1GB of RAM, a Snapdragon processor, which is quite not bad, and 13 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera. You guys are supposed to understand that this kind of ecosystem is just like an iPhone, since people, they want to get that kind of premium look of a device and yet a budget one. Since some of you guys, you cannot purchase that kind of premium device, and Infinix and Tecno and all these kind of brands, they try to rebrand the devices and give you that kind of feel. Now, you must pay close attention whenever you're buying or you got hyped with the Hot 7 Pro and Hot 7. You must know that first of all the features, they're just the same. The only kind of difference is that on RAM. Now, RAM is a random accessing memory. Is like, I know some of you guys have taken you out of this kind of thing where your device runs a lot of application. That's RAM. It adjusts its own self to produce a good task on your device. Now, when RAMs does not cooperate, or RAMs it's in a fully maximum, your phone will be slow. And some of you guys, sometimes you just say, my phone is too much slow. I don't know how I can fix that, because your RAM is so minimum. You just have to purchase the phone which is a little bit kind of enhanced with good RAM. Now, another kind of stuff which I think on Hot 7 Pro and Hot 7, they're all falling on the same specification. The only kind of main difference is just that you have to note that 1GB of RAM and 2GB of RAM, and it's something which is so crazy to Infinix, but all these are leaks, and we are waiting for 11th of February whereby they'll be announcing them officially. But these leaks, they obviously sometimes goes to be the original leaks, but sometimes they go to be just the leaks which people, they have just to rumor. But the main thing is just that on Hot 7 and Hot 7 Pro, they're really nice devices. They got that kind of premium look, they got that kind of notch you already know. It's so amazing, and 4000 mAh battery is quite incredible on this kind of device. So we're expecting something which is quite amazing on Infinix, and I can't just say this is a bad device or I just give it bad critique. I give it good critique since it enhances its own kind of features. And yeah, that's what's up. So I hope some of you guys got it clear and you're really hyped to wait for the Hot 7 and Hot 7 Pro. And yeah, that's what's up. So thank you guys for watching. You love this video today, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Abdurrahim12, and make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would be so great. And last but not least, thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. And peace.